How to watch live on TikTok Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually watch live using the TikTok Lite app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to watch live videos on TikTok Lite, all you need to do is first of all download the TikTok Lite application and then open it up. Right, once you download the TikTok Lite app, you will see this type of interface, but you can see I have the option to like other videos and others posts, but obviously you can see that I do not actually have the option to watch live videos. Now the thing you want to understand is that TikTok Lite does not give you the option to watch live videos. Of course, if someone is actually live from your following list, it is going to notify you and then you can watch their live videos, but other than that you will basically not be able to go ahead and watch those live videos just like that, because as you can see there is no live option wherever you go. Even if you go to discover or inbox or even the me icon, you just don't see the live option. So the only thing you can basically do is just open up TikTok app itself and then just start going and finding live videos on TikTok. And that is it for this video. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.